Hi guys, so today what we are going to do is I'm upgrading my deck. So I'm going to show you how to take out these wooden panels. So instead of like throwing them out, breaking them away and buying new ones, we can actually reuse them, and it's pretty interesting, and the steps are pretty easy. So for that, the two tools which you will need is, the first guy would be this guy. As you can see, this has a very tiny little opening in the front. You can buy this at any of your local hardware store, and obviously our big old hammer. All right, so I'm going to show you how this works. Okay, so first thing is, you go to, if you have screws, actually it's going to be pretty easy. So you can use the drill and drill out the screws, so it's going to be pretty simple. But when it comes to nails, then you actually have to use this. So the way it works is, you put this in, this has to essentially go under the nail. So you put it very close to the nail, not on top of it, and then you use your hammer to push it in. To actually has to go underneath the nail, so this way. Okay, and once it's there, you slowly give it a little tab out, so it comes out, as you can see. Right now, you don't want to pull it all the way out, because what's going to happen is it may bring the wood around it out. So I like to keep it nice and clean, because I actually want to reuse it. And then I'm going to use my big old hammer to push it underneath. It's very simple, and very slowly, just you got to use this arc to push it out. There you go. As you can see, I'm going to this way so you can see it clearly. And there it is. So this nail is out at this point from here. Okay, so I'm going to do the rest of this, and then I'll restart the video so you can see how this panel comes out. Okay, pause it.
Ready.
Okay, so now we have taken out most of the nails. We only have like a few left. 1 2 3 4 5 6 left, and I've taken out shoot on that side. I have taken out around 1 2 3 4 6 off on that. So now what has happened is, it has loosened up on one side. So I can show you now some other steps of taking the rest of the nails out. So this nail is already out. So I'm going to put my hammer down here inside, and then slowly kind of push it off like this. So as you can see, this nail came out. Again, the same thing, you push it in and use the arc to bring it out, and there you go, that nail is out. Okay, so now the whole thing is actually loosened up.
Action.
Okay, so now we only have 3 more nails left. So I'm going to show you again the same technique. We put it in here like this, and then pull it up. As you can see here, see, this nail is coming out already from here, right? Now it's pretty simple. So I would go on the other side, bring it over here, and then just try and pull it slowly, as you can see. And there you go, the nails are out. So now what you do is, the nails which are here, you would try to align them, and then hit them on the other side. Now if you tell the contractors that to reuse the panels, they will say, oh, it can be done, but that is total BS. Okay, because for them it's easy to throw these panels and buy the new one, because breaking is easier than doing what I'm showing you here. So once you do this, you can actually reuse each and every panel on your deck, so you don't have to pay extra money. Plus also, you are helping the environment. We don't want to keep on killing the trees. If we can reuse it, let's reuse it. Just one suggestion: once you start rebuilding your deck, I would suggest you not to use the same size nails, because we already have that size of a hole. So you want either a little thicker nail or use a screws, okay? So that way it holds these panels nice and tight on your deck. Good luck with your renovation project, guys. If you have any questions, let me know and subscribe. Thank you. Take care. Bye now.